Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play the Angry Birds theme song on piano. We'll start by finding middle C on your keyboard, which is crucial for our beginning. Place your right thumb, or finger one, directly on middle C. This will be our anchor point for the initial melody. We will then learn the first few notes, building a solid foundation for the entire song. Get ready to make some music. Now, let's focus on your right hand for the iconic melody. The core sequence of notes is C, G, A, G, followed by C, G, A, G again. Try using your first finger for C, your second for G, and your third for A. Repeat this pattern several times, slowly at first, to build muscle memory. This consistent practice will help you master the tune effortlessly. To add depth, let's introduce a simple left-hand accompaniment. For much of the song, you can play a C major chord. This consists of the notes C, E, and G played together. Use your fifth, third, and first fingers for these notes. Practice playing this chord smoothly. Then, try to coordinate it with your right-hand melody, playing them at the same time for a fuller sound. Now it's time to bring both hands together and play the full Angry Birds theme. Start very slowly, ensuring each note is accurate and your rhythm is steady. Don't rush. Precision is key at this stage. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing and confidence. Enjoy the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.